Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jady Kreativ. If you love your clothes but they need a little fixing, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 easy hand stitches to repair and refresh your clothes, step by step. Let's start with the shirt that has a small hole right on the collar. The most noticeable spot, but don't worry, we'll cover it up and make it even prettier. For the flower, I'm using 6-strand embroidery thread. And for the leaves, I'm using 3 strands. By the way, if you're enjoying these sewing hacks, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Jady Kreativ for even more. Thank you so much for your support. Add the same embroidery on the other collar tip to match. And there you have it, 2 lovely little flowers. Covers the hole and looks cute too. If you're tired of long sweater sleeves that cover your hands, try this trick. Fold the extra length inward to the length you like. Here, I'm using 6-strand embroidery thread, but you can also use thin yarn. Stitch all the way around the sleeve. Then, use another thread in a different color to add a little accent. Finish by tying off the thread on the inside. And that's it, your sleeves are now shorter and look beautifully refreshed. If your t-shirt collar has stretched out like this, don't throw it away just yet. Fold the shirt in half to find the middle. I used bold thread here so it's easy to see, but when you're fixing yours, match the color and keep it thin for the best look. Don't go anywhere, there are still more great tips coming up at the end of this video. And if you're enjoying these hacks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Once you tie the knot, tuck the thread in so it looks neat and tidy. With just a few stitches, it'll look neat and new again. If your overlock thread has snapped or come undone, let's sew it back together. I'll zoom in and go slowly so you can see clearly. We'll make 2 knots to secure the stitch, one for the lower thread and one for the upper thread. And that's it. We've just repaired the broken overlock seam. If your spaghetti straps that are too long can slip off and get really annoying, don't worry, here's a quick fix. Since the straps are thin, we'll hidden at the start and end points. Remember to use matching fine thread for a clean look. After tightening the stitches, adjust the gathers so they look even. Finish by tying a knot and tucking the thread on the inside. And that's it. We've covered the hole and turned it into something beautiful. I hope this idea inspires you to give your favorite clothes a little love instead of throwing them away. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple sewing tips. See you next time.